Hello and welcome to my channel Parthavi's Kitchen, where cooking comes from heart. Here's the recipe for orange balsamic vinaigrette. It makes 3/4 cup, 5 minutes to mix and 30 minutes to rest. Let's start by taking an empty cup that can be used to mix the ingredients and store. In it, pour 4 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I recommend using extra virgin olive oil, along with 1.5 tablespoon of honey. Half a tablespoon of English mustard or Dijon mustard, one teaspoon of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now let's mix everything properly. You can also close the bottle and give a good shake. For more recipes, do subscribe to my channel Parthavi's Kitchen. Don't forget to like and share. Once mixed properly, close the lid and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before use. You can pour it on your salads or also use it for other recipes. The longer it stays in the refrigerator, the better the taste. Here, orange balsamic vinaigrette is ready to use. Thanks for watching. For ingredients, tips and other details, see the description box below and check out more recipes at Parthavi's Kitchen. Until then, happy cooking!